Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about Workhorse Group and its prospects for the rest of this year. And then I'm going to end the video on a interesting statement from Workhorse Group CEO. So let's jump right in. The company is expecting to generate between 65 million and 85 million in revenue this year. Now that's going to be heavily weighted towards the back half of the year because in the most recent quarter, the company only generated around 5 million in revenue. Now that's going to be fueled by the new CARB mandated clean fleet regulations which take effect in California in 2024, and that will likely force customers to move a bit quicker towards EV powered vehicles in the near future. On top of those mandates, there's a lot of incentives for fleet owners to purchase these electric trucks. Upwards of $40,000 of incentives to purchase some of these electric trucks that are on the market. So that's incentivizing fleet owners to switch over to these electric vehicles, and regulations are also providing that carrot and stick to get these companies to switch over. Interestingly, the company is contribution margin positive for each electric vehicle they sell. What that means in practical terms is that with quarterly vehicle volumes of about 300 trucks, we expect to generate a positive gross margin for the company. So because each truck is positive gross margin or positive contribution margin, when the company produces more trucks, it reduces the loss, the gross profit loss, and at a certain point, those losses break even, and that's the break even at 300 trucks, where the company expects to be gross profit margin positive. Finally, let's talk about the statement from the CEO who said, "We are poised to capture demand as the combination of consumer and government regulation continue driving the transition from ICE to EV powered technology." And I find that to be an interesting statement, saying like we are poised to capture. In other words, like it's just inevitable that we're going to capture demand just because the industry is going in that direction, we're going to capture that demand. And I think that's getting a little bit ahead of yourself in just thinking that because the industry is going that direction, you're just automatically going to capture that demand. While it will help, in my opinion, it will help increase demand for Workhorse Group products, it may not be inevitable that Workhorse Group captures all that demand. There's competitors rising up, and there may be new competitors that enter the fray if they realize demand for these vehicles is increasing and soaring. So, yes, they are going to be helped by this tailwind of industry regulation and incentive, but it's not inevitable that they're going to capture all that demand. Nevertheless, they are going to benefit. All right, but that's all I've got for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.